Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for visiting us, and many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented, and shared our videos. In this two-part series, we'll unravel the luxury, performance, and cost considerations of owning the iconic Mercedes-Benz E-Class. As we embark on this journey, Part 1 focuses on the rich history, exquisite design, and key features of this epitome of luxury. The Mercedes-Benz E-Class, a complete cost breakdown for owning the epitome of luxury. Discover the luxurious Mercedes-Benz E-Class, unveiling unmatched elegance and efficiency. Looking for a vehicle that epitomizes class, sophistication, and superior performance? Look no further than the Mercedes-Benz E-Class. With its sleek design, advanced technology, and exceptional driving experience, this premium sedan stands out among its competitors. Packed with cutting-edge features and craftsmanship, the Mercedes-Benz E-Class redefines luxury on the road. In this video, we delve into the key aspects of this remarkable vehicle, including its average new price of $83,503 and 5-year cost to own of $74,600. Let's explore why the Mercedes-Benz E-Class is the epitome of automotive excellence. Overview of the Mercedes-Benz E-Class. The Mercedes-Benz E-Class is a premium luxury sedan that has established itself as a benchmark for elegance, comfort, and performance. With an average new price of $83,503 and a 5-year cost to own of $74,600, including depreciation, insurance, maintenance, financing charges, and fuel costs, the E-Class is a true symbol of automotive excellence. History and legacy of the Mercedes-Benz E-Class. The history of the Mercedes-Benz E-Class dates back to the 1950s when the first generation, known as the Ponton models, was introduced. Over the years, the E-Class has evolved and refined its design, engineering, and technology to become the epitome of luxury and innovation. With each new generation, Mercedes-Benz has introduced groundbreaking advancements, pushing the boundaries of automotive engineering. From pioneering safety features to cutting-edge infotainment systems, the E-Class has consistently been at the forefront of automotive technology. Key features and innovations of the Mercedes-Benz E-Class. The Mercedes-Benz E-Class boasts an array of key features and innovations that set it apart from its competitors. Here are some notable ones. Unparalleled comfort. The E-Class offers a luxurious and spacious interior, providing passengers with a truly comfortable and serene driving experience. With adjustable seats, customizable ambient lighting, and advanced climate control, every journey in the E-Class is designed to be enjoyable. Exceptional performance. The E-Class offers a range of powerful engine options, delivering exhilarating acceleration and smooth handling. With advanced suspension systems and responsive steering, the E-Class provides a dynamic driving experience while maintaining a comfortable ride. State-of-the-art technology. Mercedes-Benz is known for its cutting-edge technology, and the E-Class is no exception. From the intuitive infotainment system with a touchscreen display to advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, the E-Class is equipped with the latest tech to enhance convenience and safety. Variants and models of the Mercedes-Benz E-Class. The Mercedes-Benz E-Class is available in multiple variants and models to cater to different tastes and preferences. Some of the popular variants include E350. This entry-level variant offers a perfect balance of performance and luxury, featuring a turbocharged engine and a host of standard features. E454 MATIC. With a more powerful engine and all-wheel drive capability, the E454 MATIC delivers enhanced performance and traction in various driving conditions. AMG E53. For those seeking exhilarating performance, the AMG E53 offers a high-performance engine, sport-tuned suspension, and aggressive styling cues. AMG E63S. Representing the pinnacle of performance, the AMG E63S combines jaw-dropping power, precision handling, and luxurious amenities for an unmatched driving experience. Average new price of the Mercedes-Benz E-Class. When it comes to luxury cars, the Mercedes-Benz E-Class is a top contender. As a potential buyer, one of the first things you want to know is the average new price of this prestigious vehicle. In this section, we will explore the pricing factors and configurations of the Mercedes-Benz E-Class, as well as how it compares to its competitors in the luxury car segment. Pricing factors and configurations. The average new price of the Mercedes-Benz E-Class is an important consideration for potential buyers. Several factors affect the pricing of this vehicle, such as the model variant, optional features, and additional packages. Mercedes-Benz offers multiple configurations for the E-Class, allowing buyers to tailor their vehicle to their specific preferences and requirements. The base E-Class model provides a solid foundation with a range of standard features, while higher trims offer enhanced performance, luxury, and innovative technologies. Buyers can choose from sedan, coupe, convertible, and wagon body styles, each offering its own unique advantages and style. Additionally, Mercedes-Benz provides optional packages that allow buyers to further customize their E-Class. These packages can include advanced safety features, premium sound systems, upgraded infotainment systems, and luxurious interior enhancements. The more features and packages added, the higher the price of the vehicle. Comparison with competitors in the luxury car segment. In the highly competitive luxury car segment, the Mercedes-Benz E-Class holds its own against its rivals. When considering the average new price, it's important to compare the E-Class with its direct competitors to make an informed decision. One of the main competitors of the Mercedes-Benz E-Class is the BMW 5 Series. Both vehicles offer exceptional performance, luxurious interiors, and advanced technologies. While the average new price of the E-Class may be slightly higher than the 5 Series, it often justifies its cost with a reputation for superior craftsmanship and attention to detail. Another competitor to consider is the Audi A6. The A6 offers a combination of elegance, technology, and performance, making it a worthy contender in the luxury car market. Although the average new price of the E-Class may be higher than the A6, it offers a distinctive styling and a wide range of innovative features that are unique to the Mercedes-Benz brand. When comparing the average new price of the Mercedes-Benz E-Class to its competitors, it's crucial to consider the overall value and the long-term ownership experience. The E-Class, with its exceptional build quality, advanced safety features, and luxurious amenities, often proves to be a worthwhile investment for those seeking the pinnacle of luxury in their vehicle. 5-year cost to own the Mercedes-Benz E-Class. When considering the purchase of a luxury vehicle like the Mercedes-Benz E-Class, it is crucial to factor in the total cost of ownership over a 5-year period. While the initial price tag may seem high, it's important to evaluate the long-term expenses associated with owning such a prestigious vehicle. In this section, we will discuss the various components that contribute to the 5-year cost to own the Mercedes-Benz E-Class. Depreciation costs. Depreciation is an inevitable part of vehicle ownership, and it significantly affects the overall cost of owning a car. The Mercedes-Benz E-Class is known for retaining its value relatively well, which can be an advantage when it's time to sell or trade it in. However, it's essential to understand that luxury cars generally experience higher depreciation rates compared to non-luxury vehicles. Therefore, it's crucial to consider the potential depreciation costs over the course of 5 years. That's a wrap for part 1 of our series on the Mercedes-Benz E-Class, a complete cost breakdown. We hope you're as excited as we are about the opulent world of luxury vehicles. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Easy Driver. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll continue to uncover the true costs of owning this remarkable vehicle. Thank you for watching.